No, she looks completely normal.
Oh, okay. Here it is. I got it. She lost her thumbs in a tractor accident, and they grafted her big toes on. They do it every day.
You think she's got toes for thumbs?
How's her handshake? A little firm, isn't it? Maybe a little too firm?
I don't know.
Hand's a little smelly.
Why do I seek your counsel?